Are you also wondering when I'm sleeping at the bed or I'm taking a rest? So my body is also insisting me to be on the rest. Rather than early morning we can go to jogging or exercise. But my body is insisting me to be on rest. So why it happens? Or if I'm watching my favorite TV show, if I'm watching TV, my body is at rest, and my body will insist me to be on rest by not telling me to be on the motion. Why? And if I'm jogging, my body will tell to jog more till my body will not tell to stop quickly or stop suddenly. Yeah, you might stop, but it would not be a sudden motion. So why it is happening? This all phenomenon is known as inertia, or you can tell Newton's first law of motion. What does the Newton's first law of motion tells? Newton's first law of motion tells that if an object is in rest or if an object is in motion, the object will try to maintain what it is doing. So if an object is in rest, it will try to be in rest only, and if an object is in motion, it will try to keep it in motion till an unbalanced force is applied on it. Now what is unbalanced force now? So if I have a wooden box and I have a person A who is on my left hand side and is applying a 5 Newton force to the right hand side, and I have one person who is on my right hand side and he is also applying a 5 Newton force on the left hand side. So what happens? This man is applying a force in the right hand direction, and this person is applying a force on the left hand direction. So what happens? This force and this force get cancelled, and the net force becomes 0, and this force becomes a balanced force, and the box will not move because of the two equal force on the opposite direction. But if I have a wooden box, and I have a person A and a person B who is applying force on the same direction, so what will happen? This box will move up swiftly. So this tells about an unbalanced force. This box is an example of an unbalanced force because it is changing its motion. The box was in rest, now he has overcome the motion and now is in motion. So what does an unbalanced force tells about? Unbalanced force helps in overcoming the motion. If you are in the rest and when you apply your force on your leg to stand up, you are applying an unbalanced force on yourself. And when you are running and you try to stop, you will not stop suddenly, but you are applying a force on yourself. That is an unbalanced force. That's why you are overcoming your force from a motion to rest. So Newton told this only in his first motion, that was inertia, that a body will not try to overcome its motion till an unbalanced force is applied. So for this video, this much only.